Hello my friends, God bless everybody, welcome to the channel. This is Chris and it's nice to have you back. Today I'm gonna show you around. We are probably the biggest dealer in Canada. We have over 600 plus lighters. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe to get a chance for our giveaway when we reach 1,000 subscribers. And if you like this video, hit the like button, give it a thumbs up, and leave me a comment below what you want to see next. We're gonna start with the first tower. We have a lot of Canadian lighters here. Some of the provinces, some Northgate ones. These are some of my favorites here, together with a Z Luxury. 1935 replicas, 1941 replicas, vintage. So definitely you're not gonna see too many collections like this. We have a lot of rare ones. Some more Canadian in this side. These ones you can easily engrave them. They have the space to put the name. Here are the plain ones. Some of the slims here. And some Zippo inserts. You can turn any Zippo into butane or arc. The big ones, I should say, not the slims. This is the first tower. Let's go to the second one here. We usually trying to keep one of each design. Jack Daniel, Jane Bean. Sorry for the noise, we are in the mall and there's still people around. Some of the craziest designs around. Turn it around here. Rock bands. Assassin's Creed. Far Cry. New for 2021, the premium ones that are all around. Sons of Anarchy. I like these American ones. This is new. It's kind of engraved. It's very hard to catch it. Some funny ones down in the bottom here. And let's go to the third tower. This is my favorite. This is the good side. We have some woodchuck on the top there. You're not gonna see too many collections like this. Collectible of the year 2021. Or no, sorry, 2020. These are amazing. Precious metals, gold plated, copper, silver. Some of the car ones. Playboy. Harley, Jack Daniels, more Z Luxury. They put really effort this year. And we have more. Let's go to the display here. Gift sets, Fireball. These are tabletop. It actually came today. This amazing one came today. The Founders Day came today. We're gonna be reviewing it very soon. Some more gift sets. Zippo watch. This is the last one in our store. Hand warmers. These are doubles. We put them in the display. Collector's case. Some pouches. Some gift sets. We're gonna close with this one.